How to enable display over the apps in Android. Hey everybody and welcome back. If you would like to do so today, we are going to guide you through the method for that. So I just get started. So for that, you can go ahead and access your settings app. And once you access your settings app on your Android device, you can scroll down and go to the app section and tap on it. Once you tap on apps, you can look out for special access, which is in the three dot by tapping on the three dot in the top right and selecting the option of special access from the given menu. Once you access the special access option from the given options, you just need to scroll down and basically look out for the option of displaying other applications or usually appear in top also sometimes. So I can tap on it, and once you do so, you just need to go over and find the application that you want to grant the permission in the list and tap on it. So there are a bunch of applications available. So if you want Discord to have that feature, you can tap on it, the toggle option. And once you tap on it, you just need to toggle the switch, and that is how you do it. Apart from that, you can also do that by finding this setting by long pressing an app icon, Discord itself, let's say, and go to the info. And within the info, you can just go over and look out for the option for display over the applications up here in top, tap on it, and just go over and turn the permission, allow the permission, and that is how you do it. So that's it everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow for that. We hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.